Woman killed in hit and run on her way to church in St. Elizabeth. Police seeks public's help to identify body found in Devon Pen. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police are seeking the public's assistance in locating a suspected hit and run driver who fatally injured a woman in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as 48-year-old Althea Gale, a street sweeper of Santa Cruz. It is understood that about 6:30 a.m., Gail was walking along the park main road to church when she was struck by a vehicle. The driver of the vehicle did not stop, and Gail died of injuries she sustained on the spot. The St. Mary Criminal Investigation Bureau is seeking the public's assistance to identify the body of a woman that was found wrapped in a blanket and a blue tarpaulin on Sunday on the Devon Penn Main Road in the parish. The woman, who is believed to be in her late 20s, was dressed in a white t shirt, blue underwear, black socks, with tattoos on the chest, thigh, and right shoulder, with distinctive words JVSC and LBEEB and a cross on the chest. She is believed to be about 6 months pregnant. Area residents told the news media that the woman is not from Devon Pen or any of the adjoining communities in St. Mary. The police are asking anyone who can identify her to contact the Port Maria Police or the nearest police station.